This is Diamond's beach friend. Hey, beach friends, what are you doing? Yeah, oh, okay. Is that good water? Here we are at the beach. Yeah. Beautiful Muir Beach. Hey, how you doing? Where's your friend? Where's your friend, Diamond? Oh, leaving a message. Yeah. Not the P-mail. Oh, you gotta leave a P-mail too, huh? I get it. I get it. Oh, oh. Diamond loves it on the beach. Exchanging P-mails. Apparently it's like perfume to a dog. Urine. Apparently it's like perfume to a dog. Leather is tanned in urine. Cow urine. Ancient Romans tanned leather in human urine. I guess golden hormones. And I just videotaping them together.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. And I just, just to show our Facebook friends that Diamond has a boyfriend down here.
Oh, has a boyfriend, huh?
Yeah, has a little boyfriend down here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I saw a big dog over there, so I have to
Okay.
make sure he's
Got it.
okay.
Okay, yeah. Oh, wait, let's see. No.
My
Ah. Let me think here.